Thank you for scheduling a hearing test. Here's what you can expect upon arrival at the office. Your audiologist will greet you at the door and walk you back to the first exam room. Once in this exam room, you'll be seated in a comfortable chair and shown what's going on in your ears. You get to see exactly what your audiologist sees. After that, you'll cross the hall and go into an exam room where you'll be put in a sound booth. You'll be given a set of headphones and a button, and you'll be given an entire hearing test, everything from the beeps to repeating words. After that, your audiologist will take the time to explain all the results and any next steps you may have. Thank you for scheduling your hearing test. We look forward to seeing you at your appointment.